I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we are here at a project in Naperville, and we're getting towards the very end of it and the finishing touches of it. Yesterday we installed all of the drainage piping through here. You can see all the clean gravel is in here. The clean gravel is real important because that's going to direct the water into it, but then also give it stability so it's not mushy. And what we're working on over here is for me and Javier putting in some arborvitaes, which will eventually create a wall back here of privacy. And then the next step we're going to do is we're going to grade everything to where it flows towards the drainage system. Then it's going to drain towards the low end of the property over there. But if you come over here, sprinklers are always definitely a big thing that we have to work around with drainage. And you can see that Leo and Cisco are fixing them, getting them ready before we do the final grade. This is going to look absolutely spectacular when it's all done. They've got all the lights installed, and this is my favorite part, where it all kind of comes together and we make it look absolutely beautiful. And that's going to be one of the biggest differences with us, is we're going to do the hardscape, we're going to do the drainage, we're going to do the landscaping, the grading inside. We're going to make it look really nice and finished, and have a great, wonderful outdoor living space to make memories with it.